what's up? Once again, it's your man, Big John Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. I'm in my, used to be my 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442. I have bought it to redo the vehicle, but one of my customers liked it a little more than I did, so I sold it to him. Now I'm on my way from my house to my shop to start restoring the vehicle for him. Y'all see the hood. The inside's real shabby. Back seat. But it is a real 442 Cutlass. On my way to the shop. Driving it. No, even though it needed a tune-up, it's the brakes. I'm still driving it. Newtown Road. Got my man JT following me because I forgot to bring my driveway tag. So he behind me to make sure I'm good because I ain't got no tag on the vehicle. Which I don't normally do that, but I'm trying to get the car to the shop so that we can start working on it. Just got off the exit. But as y'all can see, it needs work. Back seat and everything in the vehicle. But the purpose of this video is so that y'all can see the before and then see the after of the vehicle. Cause she going KANDY paint, two-tone interior, either 4s or 6s, stereo system. She's gonna be right. That state police at the corner at the gas station. We want him to stay over there. Yeah, we don't want him to. I gotta go through this light. Gotta get to the shop. Almost there. Steering wheel shaking and everything because the car been sitting for a while, so the tire got a couple of flat spots in it, so that's why I'm driving kind of crazy. They're gonna hit me on that side. We'll go to the shop. Pulling up to the shop. Can't wait at these lights. Ain't trying to get pulled over. Y'all see that one? That's the one that's from New York. Pulling up right here. Getting out now. All right, I'm at the shop. This is it right here. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442. This is the one I just drove up in. We're going to do a major tune-up on it. Make sure it's right. dude on Facebook is known as Ciroc Boogie. He the one that bought it. And this car is going to Georgia once it's done. He's in Afghanistan now. But once it's done, the car is going to Georgia. So you know we gotta have that candy paint looking right, because that's what Georgia's known for. So I'm definitely gonna have the car real nice on the outside. Very wet look. And then as y'all can see the inside, uh-oh, my camera case. As y'all can see the inside, that's where I was sitting. Real rough in there. Very rough. It's kind of bad. This is how I purchased the vehicle. We haven't cleaned it out or anything yet. He purchased it from me. But y'all know, John Restoration, we gonna get it done, get it in. She gonna be right. See if I can the hood open, show that motor. Bear with me now. The motor. I don't know about y'all, but it look original to me. I could be wrong, but it look original. But once the vehicle is done, the motor's not gonna look like that. It's gonna be cleaned up real nice. And y'all see it got the 442 hood on it. And the wing in the back. John Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277. Give us a call if you're trying to get something done. The before picture of the 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442. Y'all see it now. And y'all know I'm gonna come back with the after video. She going Candy, two-tone interior. Remember, we also do military and government financing as well. Paint, body, interior, stereos, rims, tires. Pretty much a one-stop shop except for mechanical. So once again, that number is 757-713-2277. John's Restoration.